Hi, my name is Paul Gardner from Local Web Consultant. This is a video for the owner of the carpet and oven cleaning company. I've made this video because I believe I can help you to get more customers from your website. Now, I've been looking at your website and it's quite a nice website. It's got good colors, it's got a good layout. Um, so I'm assuming that you've got video as well. But with a website like this, you'll be getting quite a lot of visitors. But are you aware that 96% of website visitors actually leave a website without taking any type of action? That means for every 100 visitors you have, 96 will leave without contacting you. So the best way to stop that is to actually capture 100% of all your website visitors. Now I've got some software that will actually allow you to capture 100% of all your website visitors. What that means for your business is that by doing so, you'll be able to capture all these visitors, and at the same time you'll be able to actually market and reach out to these website visitors and turn them into customers over a period of say 30 to 60 to 90 days. So that means you can actually get more customers from your website by doing this. Now I'm offering this software. It's what we call a retargeting tracking pixel, and I'm offering it to two cleaning companies within the Cheshire area at no cost. So if you'd like to get access to the software at no cost, please feel free to reply back to this message and I'll save you a spot and actually send it over to you. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.